Hello, Capstone students. Dr. Doug Brown here. Congratulations on finishing week 6. That's right, you've got your first draft in, or what could be your final draft. Just wanted to spend a couple minutes with you talking about what's coming up and to help you celebrate a little bit in this near final accomplishment. You're now over Heartbreak Hill. A few years ago, my brother ran in the Boston Marathon, and I was at the top of Heartbreak Hill with thousands of other people. And it was great to hear that and see how the crowd just got people motivated to pull them over the finish line, propelled by people down the street and to be successful and finish that marathon. So take this as your cheering section. Use the next couple of days to reflect and recharge. Go into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday thinking about your presentation. You will also get feedback from your mentors. You'll have a chance to make a decision on whether you want to take that grade as your final or do one more go around, and it is totally up to you. What you should do is let your mentor know as soon as you've decided, or talk to them about whether you should decide how to decide what you want to do. Okay, Saturday and Sunday next week, play with your voiceover. A lot of you have been doing that. Do some testing. Just make sure you're not getting into a crush the following Saturday, and develop a plan for the following week. Then you get into week 8. Sunday to Tuesday, be finalizing your work and start your final proof. Wednesday, rest. Give yourself some downtime to reflect on what you've got before you go into the final push on Thursday and Friday. You round the clubhouse turn and do your final editing. On Saturday at 12 midnight is when everything's due. You get to hit submit for the very last time in the program. I know you're all looking forward to that. And then Sunday, your final assignment from us in week 8 will be to celebrate the beginning and your accomplishment. So congratulations on all you've accomplished so far. We're very proud of you. Be proud of yourself. Please don't worry about your voices in the PowerPoint. Just think of it as a conversation with somebody sharing the journey you've been on. Bring your passion and energy, and it will come through. And silence your own worst critic. You've come this far, and you're very, very, very close to crossing that finish line. So, for all of the mentors and faculty, I want to wish you a successful week 7. And in the spirit of a marathon and a race, be sure that you accelerate across this finish line to a celebration at the end. Bye-bye.